Hey guys, and thank you for watching my winter 2019 lookbook. I hope you've enjoyed this one. I know it took me quite a while to make, but I'm really pleased with how it turned out. Why don't you let me know in the comments down below what you think of it? Did you like it? Shall I make more lookbook type videos? Do you have any other video ideas for me? And also let me know which of these 3 looks was your favorite. I'm pretty sure you can guess which one mine was. So as I mentioned in the last video, I'm not going to be uploading that frequently on this channel because I want to take my time with every single video. But if you want to stay up to date with what I'm doing, and if you want to know exactly when a new video is coming out, follow me over on Instagram at dapperalien. I hope you've enjoyed this one, and I hope I've inspired you with this one. If I did so, why not give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I make videos every month or so on this channel. But if you want to stay in touch with me, follow me on social media at dapperalien, pretty much everywhere. Anyway, that's it from me for now, and I'll see you later. Bye.